WordPress course outline. What is Page Builder? Heading, text, spacer, Elementor. Go to Pages. Then click on Edit. Then click on Edit with Elementor. Inner section allows you to create a section within a section to better organize content with columns. Clicking this icon opens or closes the Widgets panel, where you can choose and drag widgets to the page. Heading adds a header or title text to the page, useful for creating headings of various sizes, H1, H2, etc. Go to Style here. You can change alignment, text color, typography, text stroke, etc. according to your need. Image lets you add an image to the page. You can select or upload an image from the media library. Text editor. This widget adds a text block where you can write and format content like a typical text editor, bold, italic, lists, etc. Clicking this icon will hide the panel, giving you more space to work on your page design, and clicking it again will bring the panel back into view. Here you can select a layout menu with multiple column structure options. Video embeds a video, for example, from YouTube or Vimeo on the page. Button adds a clickable button that you can link to another page, a URL, or another section within the page. Divider adds a horizontal line to separate content areas or sections visually. Spacer adds adjustable empty space between elements to control the spacing and layout. Icon inserts icons from a library, which can be used for visual appeal or to represent features or services. Google Maps embeds a Google map into your page, allowing users to see locations and get directions. The Update button in Elementor is used to save any changes you've made to your website's design or content. It's essentially a save or publish button for your website edits. The eye icon in Elementor lets you preview your website design before publishing it. Now you can see your page.